Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Friday. Woo! Say woo, it's Friday. Woo! It is the 15th of May. Welcome to it. My good things for today are Greta and Georgia, the cutest bugs, and also breakfast foods. I have some good things you guys shared with me yesterday in the attendance. Painting nails, water, cereal, crab legs, quesadillas, brownies in a mug, Star Wars, chalk drawing turtles, friendship bracelets, summer break, J Mountain, and sloths. So, here is the Core 7 assignment guide. If we go down to Friday, no work today. Finish up anything that you didn't complete over the course of the week. Relax. Make sure you do the attendance form. For AVID, same thing. Finish up any work you didn't complete over the course of the week. Relax. Make sure you fill out the attendance form. And that is it for today. Please stay happy, healthy, and safe. Greta, say good. Greta, say good. Georgia, say bye.
Bye.
That's it for today. Bye-bye.